outfit of the week. It's Thursday and I'm not in the mood to do this, but I know that if I don't, Ruby will be very mad at me. So as you can see, my hair is all curly-ish because I haven't brushed it after it dries. And I'm listening to my iPod. I love these new headphones from FYE. I'm wearing this little like vintagey necklace from my sister. I don't know where she got it, probably from like Hot Topic or something. And I'm wearing Jack Skellington sweater with a hood in the back. And I believe that's also from Hot Topic, but I'm not sure because I also got this from my sister. And I'm wearing this black jacket over it because I'm freezing. And that I got from JCPenney. I'm wearing these epic ombre red flare skinny jeans from Hot Topic, and then my little emus from Dick's Sporting Goods. They're awesome. So I wanted to get that over with real quick, and there we go. So have an epic day, guys. Bye.